Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope that you are enjoying good health. Today, the topic which we will discuss is human excretory system. This topic is taken from page number 8 and 9 of your book. First question, what is excretion? The removal of metabolic waste from the body is called excretion. Metabolic waste means materials that are produced during body metabolism and may harm the body. Now we will discuss how are these waste products formed. These waste products are formed during the oxidation of nutrients like carbohydrates, fats and proteins. Carbohydrates are composed of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Therefore, on oxidation, they produce carbon dioxide and water as waste products. Fats are also composed of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So, they also produce carbon dioxide and water as waste materials. Whereas, in case of proteins, in addition to carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, they also contain nitrogen. Therefore, in addition to carbon dioxide and water, nitrogenous wastes are also produced. Nitrogenous wastes are wastes containing nitrogen. The three common examples are ammonia, urea and uric acid. Carbon dioxide, extra water, salts and nitrogenous wastes are harmful products. Their accumulation in our body is dangerous, so they must be excreted out of body. The three excretory organs in our body is skin, lungs and kidneys. This table shows that skin, it excretes water and extra salts through a process called perspiration. Lungs excrete carbon dioxide through respiration, whereas kidneys excrete water, extra salts and nitrogenous waste like urea and uric acid through a process called urination or excretion. Let me tell you an interesting story of three friends. These friends are the three happy body organs of John. Cody, the kidneys, Softy, the skin, and Lori, the lungs. These organs have important jobs to do. They remove waste products from John's body and keep him healthy. John is an active boy and like to play. Softy, the skin, has small pores, so when John sweats, the waste materials such as water, salts, and a little urea from his body excrete out through tiny pores of skin. That is why, after playing and running, he drinks a lot of water. Cody, the kidney, helps to filter waste substances from John's body. Whenever he uses toilet, the harmful substances like urea, excess water and salts are excreted through his urine. Lori, the lungs, are involved in breathing, that is inhalation and exhalation. Johns remove carbon dioxide and some amount of water through exhaled air. These three friends work non-stop during day and night. The removal of waste substances from the body is called excretion. John has to keep itself and his organs healthy. He drinks a lot of water. This helps him to remove waste from his body. He takes bath and uses antiseptic soap to clean his body. He breathes a lot of fresh air to keep his lungs healthy. John does not smoke. Instead, he takes part in campaigns against smoking because he knows that smoking will damage his lungs. Human excretory system. The system that removes unnecessary materials like nitrogenous wastes, extra water, and salts from humans is called excretory system. It is also known as human urinary system. Components of human excretory system. They are kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. The kidneys and ureters, they are found in pair, whereas there is single urinary bladder and single urethra. Kidneys. Kidneys are dark red, bean-shaped organs. Their function is to purify or filter the blood and produce urine. Each kidney is 10 centimeter long, 5 centimeter wide, and 4 centimeter thick, and its weight is about 120 grams. You can remember its size easily by memorizing the statement love with teachers. Love for length, width for width, teachers for thickness. You can remember the value 10 because this is the senior most class of your school. 5. You get this value by dividing 10 by 2. For 4 centimeter, you remember that by subtracting 1 from 5, you get the value 4. Kidneys are protected by fats, membranous renal capsule, and in the diagram you can see that they are protected by 11th and 12th pair of ribs. In humans, 2 kidneys are placed against the back wall of abdominal cavity just below the diaphragm, one on either side of vertebral column. The right kidney lies a little lower than left one due to the presence of liver on right side. If you see the kidney externally, its outer surface is convex while its inner surface is concave. The concave side of kidney faces vertebral column. There is a depression called hilus near the center of concave area of kidney. This is the area through which ureter and other structures including blood vessels and nerves enter and leave the kidney. Except hilus, the entire outer surface of kidney is surrounded by a semi-transparent membrane called renal capsule. If you see the internal structure of kidney, it is divided into 2 regions, renal cortex, the outer darker red region. The mnemonics is CORD red, C for cortex, O for outer, and D for darker red. Renal medulla is the inner pale red portion divided into many conical shaped areas called renal pyramids. These pyramids open into a funnel shaped cavity called renal pelvis, which is the base of ureter. You can remember it by MIL-RP, M for medulla, I for inner, LR for light red, and P for pyramids. Human urinary system consists of a pair of bean-shaped organs called kidneys. They are dark red in color. The other components are ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. The kidneys are placed against the back wall of abdominal cavity just below the diaphragm on either side of vertebral column. Their position is asymmetrical, that is, the right kidney lies a little lower than left kidney due to the presence of liver on right side. The outer surface of kidney is convex, while its inner surface is concave. The depression called hilus lies at the middle of concave side. From here, ureter leaves, renal artery enters, and renal vein also leaves the kidney. If we see its internal structure, we can observe two distinct parts, cortex and renal medulla. Cortex is outer darker part, whereas medulla is inner light pale red color containing pyramids. Number, they are two in number. If we see, they are muscular tube which arises from each kidney and enters urinary bladder. Its function is to transport urine from kidneys to urinary bladder. Urinary bladder, its number is 1. Structure, a muscular sac at the end of ureter. Function, collects urine from ureters and stores it temporarily until urine is released. Urethra, its number is 1. It is a fine muscular tube whose size is different in males and females. Its function is to release urine outside the body. Function of kidney is to filter the blood and form urine. From kidney, urine goes into ureters. Then urine is stored into urinary bladder for shorter period of time. When bladder is filled with urine, it excretes out of body through urethra. This elimination of waste materials from the body, especially the nitrogenous waste, is called urination. Listen the lecture repeatedly to clear your concept. Your assignment is to provide the information demanded regarding to human kidneys. Then you have to write a detailed note on human excretory system. For this, first of all, you write definition. Then under the heading of components, you will make a flow sheet. At the end, you will draw the table. The format of the table is given on the next slide. Fill it accordingly. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.